we must think and develop plans from the bottoms up also.
Estimates believe that over 3 billion rupees have been spent to date on various studies of mass transit projects. Additionally, foreign donor organizations have also spent billions of dollars on very similar studies.
I'm proposing that we spend the next 3-4 years putting the resources together and looking at a very comprehensive approach from a national perspective. It can only be done if you use indigenous efforts from the university population of this country.
All this has been studied. Karachi's transport options have been studied to death. It's a matter of taking a decision.
In an effort to come to a cohesive solution, all stakeholders have equally significant roles to play. The first step is to create an effective consensus body which will bring all stakeholders together. It should comprise of representatives of the federal, provincial and local governments. It will be a mixture of academics, engineers, architects, as well as the Association of Private Transporters.
We need a lot of management for that. We need a lot of understanding of the present system and how to integrate it.
The body must be an independent one that falls directly under and is funded by the Federal Ministry of Transport.
Tens of thousands of people will have jobs and there will be economic spillovers. The city district government will be one of the biggest gainers, the provincial government will gain, the federal government will gain, citizens will gain. It's a win-win situation.
The federal government in particular must realize and recognize Karachi's contribution to the national exchequer and provide adequate funds for a network of mass transit options that include the KCR, a new bus system, as well as short-term flyovers and expressways to relieve congestion. According to Asian Development Bank statistics, the revival of the KCR, along with the introduction of a new bus rapid transit system, would cost approximately $800 million. An accompanying public awareness campaign to end commuter apathy is also essential, as we are equally responsible for the creation and implementation of a workable solution.
There is a problem in commuter behavior, anti-driver behavior.
People feel pride in, breaking the law. That's unfortunate with us.
The question then is, can Karachi afford to spend precious time and money on projects like this? And how long will the city government's short-term solutions keep Karachi afloat? That is for you to decide.
A copy of this programming was sent to various stakeholders. We are expecting a response.